The Army has always relied upon timely and reliable communication to help achieve victory in its missions. And it is the job of the Signal Corps to ensure that vital communication flows between units and different areas in which they are located. Satellite communications, or SATCOM, is the backbone of this capability. And the Satellite Communications Systems Operator Maintainer is the person who helps make SATCOM possible. Because data from satellite transmissions is sensitive, you must qualify for a secret clearance in this MOS.
For this MOS, we are the voice of the Army. We maintain communications for the troops on the ground, as well as our commanders.
Upon graduation, you will travel to Fort Gordon, Georgia, where you will begin your training, starting with satellite theory and usage. You will continue with hands-on training in the inspection, troubleshooting, and preventative maintenance that will be a core function of your duties. Next, the Army will train you in multi-channel satellite communication systems, including the installation, operation, and maintenance of the equipment that transmits and receives information, as well as the devices that encode and safeguard that information. You will receive training on the data links and routing systems the Army relies on to move ever-increasing quantities of data around the world, and be taught to align equipment, make operating adjustments, and to analyze communication signals to optimize performance.
Here in AIT, students start off with the basics. They teach them things like electrical theory, signal theory. They go over things like modems, routers, and then it branches off to what we actually do, SATCOM. They're strategic and tactical, and they go through all of it.
After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll be assigned as a SATCOM operator maintainer to an installation or to areas of deployment, where you will install, operate, and maintain ground terminals, systems, and networks that keep the entire Army updated, informed, and situationally aware. Additional duties may include the installation and maintenance of tactical satellite antennas, enhancing communication capabilities of units in the field. You may also be assigned with conducting both stressed and unstressed network operations. And you may monitor satellite tracking, operate and maintain strategic tactical entry point facilities, and complete equipment repair forms and other performance reports.
I'd say the biggest challenge in this job is troubleshooting, because sometimes even the smallest thing can make the biggest difference in affecting communications.
Serving in this MOS, you'll have the opportunity to apply for and earn certifications and credentials through the Army's credentialing opportunities online. This, combined with the skills you acquire in this job and the leadership, teamwork, and discipline you will learn, will assist your transition from the military to the civilian employment sector, where you may find employment as a SATCOM with a telecommunications company, or a large corporation, a local government organization or municipality, or in federal service. The men and women of this MOS ensure that the communications linking units all across the globe remains unbroken, helping the Army remain watchful of security for the country. Join us in Military Occupational Specialty Satellite Communication Systems Operator Maintainer.